It's on the level of some AirPods Max. It's on the level of some Sonos. My friends, how are you? I'm Andres Neshudo, and this time I'm bringing you the unboxing, and I'm going to tell you a little more about these new headphones from Baseus. I have the BP One Pro and the BP One H. They sent them to me to do the unboxing, to try them out, and to tell you a little more about these new headphones. And also to tell you everything you can do with them. But what I like most about them is the price to quality ratio, everything you get for their price. So let's do the unboxing, but first, let's go get a coffee. Tell me what you're drinking while you're watching this video. Remember to tell me what you're drinking while you're watching this video. Alright, now let's do the unboxing of these Baseus. Two different models, some more portable, others also portable, but they have noise cancellation. They have more features that I'm going to tell you about, but let's see how you can get them, and I'll tell you more features of both devices. I already have the new Baseus B-H One wireless noise cancelling and Baseus B-P One Pro. You can get them on the website or also at the different distributors. Look at what you get with the B-H One NC. You have adaptive hybrid A noise cancelling, you have super bass 2.0, they're comfortable and you get plenty of hours of playback. Now let's talk about that. They come in black and white, and with the Baseus B-P One Pro we have them in black, white and blue. They have noise cancelling, they have balanced audio. They're water resistant thanks to their IP55 certification, and they have 6 microphones for clear calls. So now let's go ahead and unbox them. Alright, now let's go ahead and unbox them. Let's start with the Baseus B-H One NC. And they have quite a bit of technology. Look, they have minus 45 decibels active noise cancelling. It's adaptive hybrid. One thing I like most is their 80-hour battery life. They'll last up to 80 hours. And for their price, you also get noise cancelling, which I think is the main feature, noise cancellation. We have Super Bass 2.0, long-lasting playtime, which is the battery part I mentioned. We have Cloud Comfort, which tells us they're really comfortable. Here we can also see what they come with. Let's open them up. As my friend Jimmy says, less boom, 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 more blah, blah, blah. Let's open them. Alright, moment of truth. I insist, it's less than $149 for everything they include. I think that's what needs to be emphasized the most. Look, here are the headphones. Let's take off the protectors. And let's see it. I like to smell new products. I like how they smell. We have the USB Type-C port. We have buttons to turn the volume up and down, play, pause, and also to turn them on. They feel pretty good, they're lightweight. And once you put them on, honestly, they feel good, they're comfortable, I like that. It includes the USB to USB-C cable so you can charge them. And also inside the box there are some stickers and instructions. And even though I always want to find more things inside the box, there's nothing else. Let's try them out and I'll tell you my first impressions. So let's turn them on. Here we also have this button here. I guess you turn them on by holding down this button here. Yeah, it made some kind of sound. Let's see. Let's look for them on the phone. Oh, I get it now. That button is to turn noise cancelling on or off. So if I hold it down, the headphones talk to you. They tell you when they're on and when they're syncing. Let's see. Let's look for them on the iPhone. Baseus B-H One NC. Let's connect them. Done. You can hear it here in the headphones. Look, I'm gonna turn them on and off so you can see. Let's see if the microphone can pick up how it sounds so you can get an idea. I'm going to bring the microphone closer to see if you can hear it. There it is. It tells us they're already on. It will also tell us right and left so you can put them on the correct side. And to turn the noise cancelling on and off, it's this little button here. Let's try them out. Now I have the noise cancellation active and It's not bad at all. I insist, for the $149 they're going to cost you, they're pretty good. Seriously, they're really nice. And remember that you can get them using the link in the description and you'll get a special price there. So let's try them out. Let's play a song. This is the first one that came up for me. I use YouTube Music. I'm one of those who use YouTube Music. Let's see. This song that's trending. It's not bad at all, considering it costs $149. Wow, seriously, I'm impressed. Let's see, I was a storm, I was a tornado. I'd love to play the music for you, the song. Let's see what happens. If I clap, let's see if you hear the noise. Let's see if you can hear the clap. The snap is very faint. I mean, honestly, it's at the level of... Seriously, I can't believe I'm saying this, but it's at the level of some AirPods Max. It's at the level of some Sonos. I'm especially impressed by the value for the price. I think it's pretty good. I like that it has premium features like the buttons to raise and lower the volume. They're USB-C, because nowadays we all carry a USB-C cable. Wow, I'm amazed, especially by the price and what they offer. But anyway, wow, remember that I'll leave you a link in the description. Let's move on to the next product, which is the Baseus B-P One Pro, which also has microphones and up to 55 hours of battery life. Wow, that's pretty good. They're water resistant because they have IP55 certification, and they're headphones that you put directly on your ear. We have minus 50 decibels of adaptive active noise cancellation mode. We have 6 artificial intelligence microphones, so you can make calls and have them be clear. And well, let's see what comes included inside the box. The same with the instructions, which honestly, who reads the instructions? And we have the headphones that come in their packaging. Let's take them out and done. I like the design. Oh, these smell better. They smell really nice, like a nice plastic. We have the USB to USB-C cable and nothing else. Straight to the point, let's try them out and see what features they have. These will also cancel out the noise. Let's put them on and sync them. I don't think they have a button to sync. Here they are, Baseus B-P One Pro. I, who was a storm. Okay, they're not bad at all. They sound pretty good and they also talk to you. I'm telling you, it also has this assistant with microphones for calls, so your calls are clear. They sound pretty good. I like them. However, you don't have buttons to control them, nor any functions. So if you're used to that, you'll have to do everything manually. But I insist, you can find these starting at $39. I mean, a lot of times you spend more on a meal, on coffee with friends, things like that, so it's not bad at all for what they offer you. We have this magnetic case. They're wireless charging, so when you put them in, they'll charge. And here we have a USB-C cable, so you can charge your headphones. You'll always have power, you'll always have battery. I like them, but if I had to choose, these are my favorites. I insist, for what they give you, for what you're paying. I find this product quite interesting. I think it's pretty good, but you know, I like reading your comments. We'll continue the conversation there. Tell me, which one are you going to buy and why? And what's your favorite feature? Friends, my friends, a straight to the point video. Thanks to Baseus for sending me these products. Let me know your thoughts. Which one was your favorite? If you're not subscribed, subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more videos, more content, straight to the point. I'm Andres Nesciuto. See you next time. Big hug. Goodbye.